Hello my dear friends. So we are studying the hilly roads, which is partially in banking and partially in cutting. So I have taken an example. Suppose the embankment, that is formation width B to C is 10 meter. Okay, the side slope is in banking is 2:1 and in cutting 1.5:1 and the ground slope is 6:1. So we have the length of 200 meter. We have to calculate the earthwork in banking and cutting. So B equal to T 10 by 2, that is 5 meter, and D is already given 45 centimeters, so 0.45 meter. S is 2, P is 1.5 and R is 6. So cutting sectional area is given by, in this condition, 1 by 2 B plus RD divided by R minus P. So we are putting value 1 by 2, 5 here B, and R is 6 and D is 0.45 whole square divided by 6 minus your P is 1.5. So we are getting 6.59 meter square. Similarly, we can find out the banking section, which is by the formula 1 by 2 B minus RD whole square R minus S. You please keep here S, here is P. So 1 by 2, 5 minus 6 into 0.4 square divided by 6 minus 2, we are getting 0.66 meter square. So the quantity of earthwork will be can be evaluated by multiplying 200 corresponding the cutting and the banking. So this is 1318.0 cubic meter and this is 132. So in the banking, you see this is actually excavation is done in the cutting, and banking that will be fulfilled. So the earthwork in cutting will be taken for the costing. So please go through and try to understand. By applying the formulae, you can always find out the quantity of earthwork. Thank you for being with me.